We're expecting 3 feet of snow, they said. Could you tell? 3 feet. It's going to snow with the sun out. Crank this baby up because I'm going to show you something. Crank her up! Lower this window, won't go back. Uh-oh, there goes the windshield wipers. Rattle, 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 rattle. Turn those things off. Today, I'm going to show you how to put on a snow plow. And it's so friggin' easy, you'll see. You'll see. You'll see. Yeah, 3 feet of snow coming, could you tell? That's sunny snow. Alright, so we're going to put on our hour mount plow. So, so simple. Check, make sure our alignment's right. Oh, not bad. Yeah, the old Fisher hour mount plow. Shouldn't take me more than 20 minutes to get this baby hooked up. Come on. We got something happening here. How we doing there? Uh-oh. We missed. Well, try it again. There we go. I forgot which way it was. Oh, gotta go to the right. Pretty close. Yeah. How's that? This won't take more than a minute. I think it's frozen to the ground. A little more. There we go. See? Fisher plow even comes with your own built-in jack. Okay, we'll get her done. Oh, enough of that racket. So, what do we got here? Well, she's not too far. You know, I wish I had gone to Rondo Trailer Sales in Sycamore, Illinois. They sell HINIKER, made Minnesota. Or should I say Minnesota? Who else came from Minnesota? Jesse the Body Ventura. Rondo Truck and Trailer in Sycamore. #1 in Chicagoland. I'll get this right. Well, fix her up. You can go see anybody there. You can go see all kinds of folks. Names? I'll tell you who's there. Got Martin in sales and service. Kyle at tech. We got Sean at tech also. Got Galen. Go see Jonathan in service. Scott, parts manager. Go see Mike for financing in the office. Get your HINIKER plow. Because this is a freaking bugger. Oh, let's see now. See, I told you it wouldn't take more than an hour to get this thing on. I'll try to lift it up a little bit. Plunk. What if we put those pins out? Saw a video on YouTube where some guy was saying it just takes a minute to put this plow on. I think it takes a friggin' hour. There. Try to get one side on. On the Ronald Reagan Memorial Tollway, Route 84. All was behind you. Come on. Whoops. That's not going to work. Try again. Now I'll set the camera over here. Just need that pin to click in. Wouldn't that be nice, huh? Just click her in. If I can get this camera to stay up, one day we'll have a professional production. Until then, amateurs. 1, 2, 3. Click. There's one side. Say. Why would you want to buy a HINIKER? It only takes a minute when you could be having fun here while we're expecting 36 inches of snow. Oh. All right. Let's go for side 2 now. There, this is nice. Good exercise. Putting on your old-fashioned plow. Just click that pin down. Click. And we'll see what we got here. If I get a 2x4. Hey, buddy. Give me a hand with this friggin' plow. I should have gone to Rondo Trailer Sales. Let's just pick this baby up. You just pirouette right there. I tell everybody it just takes a minute. 1, 2, 3. There we go. You see how easy that was? Well, they're always behind you. So that's it. Go see the boys at Rondo Trailer Sales. Truck and trailer. Get yourself an easy mount. HINIKER plow. And don't be playing around like me with this $100 eBay piece of junk. Thanks for looking. See you at Rondo Trailer, Sycamore, Illinois. Bye.
The HINIKER Quick Hitch system is one plow mounting system that truly lives up to its name. Just drive the truck-mounted forks into the self-aligning receivers, pull and pin the single locking lever, raise the jack stand, and plug in the electrical connections. Then pick up the plow and go to work.